definition of frosting and icing, and some lovely watercolor pictures. And then it goes on to a little quote from Julia Child: "A party without cake is just a meeting." Then we start into our section. So section 1, getting started. Frosting adds flavor and improves the cake's appearance. So of course it does. And then these are all 7 types of frostings, and you can go through kind of the short definitions of what they are. And then what frosting should be is never grainy or lumpy, and it should always complement the flavor and texture of the cake, for sure. So here it is going into the different frostings or icing. So this one is an explanation about buttercream and the benefits of buttercream. And then there's a buttercream recipe to go with it here. Now it's in weight, so that, if you're doing a class that is using a scale, you can use it. And then it's also in measurements, and some of them, like the vanilla, is 2 teaspoons and whatnot. Okay, so the steps in making the buttercream, really going in depth on the buttercream here. And then there's a light chocolate variation, a lemon variation, and then some pictures and steps on how to kind of assemble the cake with the icing. So we're splitting the cake horizontally into thin layers, piping your borders of buttercream around those layers and filling them as you move up the cake. And then this is positioning the next cake layer on top of those iced layers, mounding your frosting on top to then bring it down the side, the edge with the spatula, and to do your crumb coat. After your crumb coat, you've got your final coat, and of course all the instructions more in depthly on the left-hand side there. And then talking about some different finishes like side masking, using a cake comb, like where this arrow is pointing to show that effect. Also, we're going to go a little bit into piping bags and how to prepare them, and how to fill a piping bag. And then there's 8 steps on these next slides that we're going to go through. And then these are the 8 steps here. Proper size bag. You got to get your tips, the correct kind of cupping technique over your hand or over a cup. Filling it only half full, right? You don't want it completely full, so it's bursting at the top. Closing off or twisting it. How to hold it in your palm. And then some examples of kind of squeezing and moving the tip along something. This is a cookie. Where to place your fingers, and then a little recap for filling the piping bag. Piping tips, showing the different variations, talking about kind of the angle that the bag should be on, showing more information about the angle of the piping bags. And then, kind of what affects your design as you're moving along the cake or whatever service you're decorating. And then a little bit at the end about frosting versus royal icing. Some pro tips here for you at the end. And that is it. Thanks so much.